Hello everyone, I am Ankit and today I am going to give you a walkthrough of our latest camera backpack. Now this backpack is designed especially for photographers, creators and digital nomads. So let's quickly dive in. As you can see on the front, when you open these two buckles, there is a pocket on the top. You can access your items from the top. Here you have this zippered net pocket to again keep your small items. So on the front, you will find this hard shell pocket. Now this pocket has three compartments. Here you will find two net pockets and here you will find a zippered pocket on this side. So this pocket you can keep your power banks, you can also keep a book if it is needed, comes quite handy. So on this side you will find a water bottle pocket. Here you can also keep your tripod and fit it using this adjustable strap. On the other side, if you come, you'll find a rain cover pocket. You can access your rain cover from this pocket. Here you have this key loop also, so you can hang your keys, which are quite safe in this pocket if you want to quickly access it. Now on the bottom, you'll find this compartment. This compartment is made to quickly access your camera gear. So when you open this, you'll find again one more compartment here. So you can open this flap and here is your camera. Now the best part of this particular zip pocket is you can put this flap inside the external flap. So what happens is this becomes one flap altogether. So you don't have to open two flaps at a time when you're accessing your camera, right? See, this is how it works. So this also protects your camera gear from theft while you are on the go. Now here on this flap you'll find a zippered net pocket again. So you can again keep your power banks, your small let's say batteries or SD cards in this pocket. So now coming to the main part, which is the back panel of this particular bag. So if you see, you have this 180-degree opening of this bag. So this part you have your laptop compartment. You can keep your laptop, iPads. This is the main compartment. Here you have this detachable camera cube. So you can detach it from your bag. You can carry it separately. So as you see here, you'll find this removable divider. Now this divider helps you divide your backpack into two parts. Here you have this camera compartment and here you can keep your small clothes or small items. You can keep one lens also in this compartment. If you don't want it, you can completely remove it. And on this side, you'll find a laptop compartment. So you can keep your laptop up to 15.6 inches. You can keep your iPad. And again, you have a zippered net pocket over here. You can keep your cables, SD cards, whatever you want. Now there is one more pocket inside the bag, which is called as a power bank pocket. So you can keep your power bank, take out the cable from this hole over here, and you can keep your phones on the side. So you don't have to again and again access your power, open your bag, access your power bank and charge your phones. So this pocket also is quite useful. Now let's come to this camera cube. When you open this camera cube, you'll find dividers over here. You can fit your lenses, your main body, your camera gear based on the size and shape, right? On this side, you will find a zippered net pocket. You can keep your cables, power banks or small items here. Here you find these elastic loops. Again, you can keep your cables here. Now this camera cube also comes with a detachable sling belt. So this sling belts help you carry this camera cube very easily. So let me show you how. Now let's say you don't want to carry this entire camera bag with you on a shoot. You can just carry this cube and make it as a sling bag. So this helps you carry your camera gear very easily. Now let's put this camera cube inside the bag. Let's see how it goes. And you can keep your sling belt over here. Now let me show you the back part of this bag. Now this is made of 3D air mesh. Now this helps you provide a better cushion at your backside. So it is not painful when you are carrying this heavy bag. Here you will find this trolley belt to probably put your bag on the trolley. On the bottom side, you will find this passport pocket. You can keep your passport safe over here. You can access it whenever you are on the go. Right. So now let me carry this bag. So now these shoulder straps are designed in a way that they can easily hold up to 20 to 25 kgs of weight. See, you can adjust your chest straps like this. You can fit your waist straps like this. So based on your body type, you can adjust it. Now you see, you can easily carry your camera bag and it is very close to your body. So it does not feel very heavy when your gears are inside this. Now the Pango backpack comes into two more colors, which is one is olive green and the other one is jet black. Now you can order these bags from our website www.carrypro.in or from Amazon. Thank you so much.